Sir, on 14th October 2020, you declared in Nagpur that 10 crore Indians will convert to Buddhism by 14th October 2025. How do you think this is actually going to happen? Because 10 crore is a pretty big number.
I know it. This is a very big number, and this statement is not given in a usual manner. Before giving this statement, I have um, thoroughly discussed with my colleagues and given thoughtful consideration. Thereafter, I declared because I know how it will become possible. We are, 110 crore Bahuchans. So I have chosen only about 10%. That is not a big number. Secondly, we are going to organize a coordination committee at national level. Also, we are creating a body of Bodh Bhikshus. We are calling a meeting at 20th of March 2021 at Dr. Ambedkar Bhavan, Rani Jhansi Road, where all bhikshus from all over India will gather, and then we will make a course of action.
So, Dr. Ambedkar also adopted Buddhism along with his followers. What do you think is your real intent actually? What do you wish to achieve by this conversion?
I think this is not a conversion because our forefathers were Buddhist. When we talk about Maurya dynasty, then you know about king of Bhadrat. He was the last empire of Maurya dynasty, and he was conspiracy was hatched by his Senapati Pushmit Sung, and he has killed him by hatching a conspiracy, and thereafter he destroyed 84,000 of Bauddha mutt, and thereafter he killed lakhs of Bauddha bhikshus. Even he has given award of gold coins to the people those who have killed Bauddha bhikshus, and they destroyed the Buddhism from India. And Buddhism, we were Buddhist from Myanmar to Kabul and Kandahar. So entire India was Bauddha, and during that time there was equality, fraternity, justice, and brotherhood, and that all has destroyed by Pushmit Sung and created this caste system based, Hinduism. So now that's why I'm saying ki we are not going to convert into Buddhism, but we are going to return back in our original, rich culture and our original dham. So we can call it Ghar Vapsi.
You have been traveling a lot recently under the banner of Mission Jai Bhim. Various meetings you have conducted so far. How has been the response of the people so far?
I visited at Lucknow, then Hathras, then Agra in between 3rd to 5th October. Thereafter on 10th and 11th I was in Punjab and Haryana. And thereafter on 13th, 14th, 15th I was at Yavatmal and Nagpur. And thereafter 18, 19 and 20 I was at Bombay. And thereafter we called a meeting at Delhi. And response is very good, very good. Everybody is happy after hearing this news that we are going to, accept or going to reorganize our, Diksha. When I visited at Nagpur at Diksha Bhumi, then I thought कि Baba Saheb has decided to make Prabuddha Bharat, and he was thinking to make crores of people Buddhist. But unfortunately, he expired on 6th of December to 1956. Thereafter, that mission could not succeed. So, because we are the son of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, so we thought, why don't we complete this mission of Baba Saheb Ambedkar? So it was the desire of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and we want to fulfill that. So that's why I decided we should, convert 10 crore people throughout India, and it will take 5 years in preparation. And these meetings shows that everybody is interested. Everybody has come to know that our forefathers were Buddhist, and this culture which is prevailing in India today, this based on caste and discrimination. So we want to keep away of that, out of that. So all Indian, those believe in equality and justice, fraternity, they want to keep out of this kind of religion which is based on a caste system. We want equality and justice. That's why everywhere where I'm going, everybody is admiring and welcoming, and they are willing to join Buddhism.